This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, RCERT. Here's your chance to own a large 4-bedroom home in highly popular University Place. The open floor plan lends itself to entertaining with multiple sets of glass sliders opening the living areas to fabulous outdoor space for dining and relaxing. Accent lighting highlights the lush tropical foliage that provides a private backdrop to the large pool and spa. Volume ceilings with crown molding, a built-in entertainment center in the family room, well-planned kitchen with granite workspaces and an island cooktop, large pantry closet. A huge window in the breakfast nook, fillis the kitchen with natural light. The primary suite offers 2 large closets with custom organizers and an ensuite bath with split vanities, a soaking tub and separate tiled shower. The other 3 BRs are on the opposite side of the house, so everyone enjoys privacy. Home has a new roof but needs TLC. It's priced accordingly and will be sold as is. University Place is dog and family friendly, offering 2 community pools with outdoor kitchens, a hot tub, well-equipped fitness room, playground, nature trails, lawn irrigation, 2 gates with 24-hour monitoring and a community manager, all for an extremely low monthly HOA fee. It's conveniently located near the UTC Mall, Benderson Lake and Park, the SRQ Airport, medical facilities, golf courses and, of course, the most beautiful white sand beaches just 9 miles to the west. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, RCERT at 941-356-8862.